Hello everybody. This is Tony, CEO, founder of Turo Car Rental. Let's make another video for my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Turo, and I'm going to talk about what I'm dealing with right now as far as maintenance, as far as wrecks, vehicles being down, stuff like that. I'm going to be very honest and open and transparent with you guys to show you guys the good and bad of the business, you know, the pros and cons. A lot of people ain't going to show this, so I'm going to show you guys what I deal with, so that in case you get started, you know, you can go ahead and be prepared. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what I got going on. So these are a few of my vehicles, okay? I'm actually down about 4 cars right now. I'm gonna explain to you what I mean by that, each one is down. So basically the first car is my 2018 Dodge Durango. And you can see somebody wrecked it. Got wrecked up pretty bad. Turo claim specialist did pick it up. I approved the claim yesterday. It's not a total loss. They are gonna fix this. So I will make another video about that, about the estimate getting it fixed. But this is my 2018 Dodge Durango. This vehicle's going to be down for a while because they got to go to the body shop, got to get parts, got to get fixed. Okay, now this vehicle right here, this is my 2018 Chrysler Pacifica van, and as you can see, go ahead and show you the check engine lights on. So check engine lights on. Let me go ahead and pop the hood. It's been adding a little rough. It's been overheating. I think it has a blown head gasket, I believe. I'm going to take it back to my mechanic and back to the dealership. Go ahead and open this up. So yeah, as you can see, the coolant is low. Doesn't have any wet coolant. It's completely empty. It's low, and it's idling pretty rough. So got to take this to the mechanic to get fixed, get looked at. Okay, like I said, that's my 2018 Chrysler Pacifica van. Come on over here, this is my 2016 Chevy Camaro convertible. Okay, and as you can hear, the fan is blowing really loud. Okay, and then come on over here, go ahead and show you. As you can see, the temperature gauge is not moving at all. Okay, this car's been running now for a little while, and the temperature gauge is not moving at all. It's staying right there in cold, which is a bad sign because it should have been in the middle now. Just the car is warming up, but you can hear that fan is pretty loud. Okay, so there's something going on with this car as well. I'm trying to figure out how to pop this trunk. Pop the hood to kind of show you guys, but don't know where's it at on here. Every car is different, but yeah, but basically you can see is that the temperature is not changing and the fan is blowing pretty loud. Okay, because it shouldn't sound like this. Like I said, that fan is pretty loud, going pretty loud. Okay, this is about 2016 Chevy Camaro convertible. So right now, this is my shop. I got 3 cars that's down right now. I just here in my shop. Okay, gotta get this fixed. I gotta get the van fixed. I get the Durango fixed because you can see there's a whole lot of damage to the Durango. Get this fixed now. So I also have a couple other vehicles that's down. So my truck, if you watch more of the videos, my truck got wrecked. That's actually the body shop right now, getting fixed, getting worked on. That's my 2017 Ram pickup truck. So that's at the shop right now, getting fixed. It should be out this week, hopefully. And then I have a Jeep Grand Cherokee. That's my 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit SUV that it won't start, and that's at the dealership right now, trying to figure out why it won't start. I don't know what's wrong with it, but they checked the battery, the starter, the alternator, everything's good, but it just won't start. So altogether, I got the 3 vehicles right here, and then I have 2 more that is at the dealership and at my body shop guy that is down. So right now I'm down like 5 cars right now, you know, out of my 17 car fleet. So, you know, when it rains, it pours, you know. So, but just want to make this video is to show you guys what I deal with, okay? And just to be very honest and open and transparent, because with this business, you are going to have issues like this. You know, you are going to have maintenance problems. You're going to have vehicles that are going to get wrecked, may get totaled, may get stolen, you know, brakes, oil change, tune-ups, you know, just miscellaneous maintenance issues, you know. So it costs money to make money, so make sure you have money saved up. Okay, so make sure you have money put to the side for this, you know, your savings account. Make sure you have like a credit card, a debit card, business card, something like that to pay for maintenance, because if you don't have no money to fix these cars, you can't make no money if these cars are sitting. Okay, so I got to get them fixed so that you can make money. So right now, thank God I'm in a good situation where, you know, I have money saved up. You know, I have a savings account, I have a business savings account and business checking account. I also have business credit cards, stuff like that. So I have money, capital saved up for rainy days and for maintenance and stuff like that, you know. So right now I'm down a whole bunch of vehicles, but luckily I have other cars that's still getting rented out, and I'm still able to make money. Okay, so so this want to make this video just to kind of be open with you guys, to be honest, okay? Because a lot of people ain't gonna show, you know, the bad, the ugly, you know what I'm saying? They're gonna still show the good, the positive about Turo, about renting your cars out. So right now, you know, I'm dealing with a lot of maintenance issues. A lot of these cars, you know, are down right now, but I'm just gonna try to fix it one at a time and get them all back going, you know, because hopefully it's already March, so next month is spring break, and then you got Derby, and you got the summer, and that's when you really make the money. That's when it picks up. So hopefully I can have all these cars fixed up, available, ready to go by spring and summertime. So that's when you really, you know, make the money on Turo, because that's when it's busy. That's the peak season, you know. So just want to make this video just to show you guys. So right now I'm about to go ahead and take this to my mechanic, see what's wrong with it, see why it's making this loud noise. Take this to my mechanic, to the dealership, see what's wrong with the van. And get this car towed so I can go ahead and drop this off, get this started, get this fixed, you know, my Durango. And then I'm going to go to check out my other vehicles as well to see when they're going to be done, you know. So I got a busy day today, got a lot going on, but I just want to make a video just to show you guys, you know, what I do with day to day, you know, because it's not easy, you know. Running your business is not easy. It's definitely not for the weak, you know. So please like this video. If you like this content, I will post content as often as possible, so please like this video, subscribe to my channel. It's completely free. It doesn't cost you anything at all to subscribe or like this video. Also, if you want me to teach you the game, I am doing one-on-one consultations. So if you want to learn about Turo, if you want to, you know, don't have to go through all the trials and tribulations I went through, then you can book a session with me. All you gotta do is click on the link on the video, and you can book a one-on-one session with me. I will answer any questions you have and give you all the tips and advice that I have as well. So please hit me up if you want to do a one-on-one consultation with me. Also, if you have any questions, you can leave questions in the comments. I will respond to your comments, okay? So have any questions, leave it in the comments on here, I will respond. You can also reach me on social media. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Snapchat, okay? Tony Luxury Cars on all social media platforms, and of course I'm on YouTube as well, you know, same name, Tony Luxury Cars. So just want to make this video to show you guys what it's like, you know, dealing with maintenance when you have a very big fleet like I do. I have a 17-car fleet, you know, here in Louisville, Kentucky, and right now I have a lot of vehicles that are down right now, you know, for maintenance issues, wrecks, stuff like that. So I'm about to go ahead and get the day started, try to get these vehicles fixed one at a time, and I just want to make this video to show you guys what it's like, show you guys what I deal with. So in case anybody want to get into the Turo car rental business as well, okay? I still love what I do. I still like it. I still rather do this than having to work a 9-to-5 job for somebody. So I'm not really complaining. I gotta take the good with the bad, because before this I haven't had any issues for a long time, okay? So just want to make this video to show you guys what I deal with, show what it's like. So please show love, like, subscribe this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, I'm out. Peace.